this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. This vehicle features a 3-liter inline-6 diesel engine with 4-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle has had 2 previous owners. As we get closer here to the front of this half-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek metallic Pacific blue with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those tow hooks. We'll come along here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with dark gray insets, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Behind all of those wheels, you do have mud guards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away at the paint like gravel or stone chips. And here on the handles of this vehicle, you do have passive keyless entry, which is really convenient. Basically, if your vehicle is locked, you'll be able to get into it without ever having to take the keys out of your pocket or your purse. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this vehicle. Here on the inside of this pickup, you do have a lovely dark gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 7/32 in both your front tires and 8/32 in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 14/32 in both the front and the rear. So you have a good ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look here at the rear occupant seating. That middle seat up front does fold up to become an additional seat, meaning this vehicle can seat a total of 6 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have USB charging ports, a power outlet to the right of it, as well as pockets in the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have all-weather floor mats and all of the seating positions to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have a storage space in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. While we're making our way back, I do want to point out you do have corner steps that'll help you get up and into the bed with ease. And also down low, you do have a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, and right behind it you also have a spare tire if you're ever in a pinch. This pickup also has a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse, and you also get 2 keys with it as well, both of which come with remote start, and both of which you can remotely open up the tailgate with as well. And as you'll be able to see, that tailgate does go down by itself, as this pickup does come with tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this half-ton pickup does have a bed that's about 6.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space back here to haul some really nice loads. You also have a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads might give it. And the top button on the tailgate allows you to fold out this tailgate step, letting you get up and into the bed with ease. I'll just put this tailgate up and we'll continue to take a look here at the driver's side. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and power door locks. And as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your parking brake, headlight controls, dashboard backlight controls, bed light controls, 4-wheel drive shift, and then your tow haul mode switch as well. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle is a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 23,777 miles on it. We'll take your attention over here to the right side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. To the left of those dashboard navigation buttons are your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the left side of the steering wheel are your cruise controls, and you also have a heated steering wheel with this pickup to help keep your hands warm in the winter. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Underneath said display, you do have controls for it as well as your volume knob right there. A bit farther down are your climate controls. Further down still, the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated. You do have your USB and USB-C charging port, power outlet, electronic stability control toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding, hill descent control toggle, and then you also have an integrated trailer braking controller with this pickup as well. A bit farther back, you do have 2 cup holders and your main storage compartment behind it. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of the pickup, you do have some minor wear in a few places, such as some discolorations on the ceiling and the seat, as well as a chip there on the top of the display of the dashboard. But other than those, nothing is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll continue to take a look here now at the outside of this vehicle. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. Stone chips and nicks in general do tend to show a little more on very glossy surfaces such as chrome and like that very brilliantly shiny blue paint. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few stone chips down lower. One there. Some there. Some scuffing by the passenger side rear. And we'll continue around here to the back of the vehicle. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you have some slight wear and a few small nicks on the top of the tailgate, and likewise for the bed. However, both of these are in much better condition than most every pickup I see coming through our dealership. A scuff there on the bumper, and we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. We did touch up a nick, but it is still there. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a blue half-ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 6, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bedliner, tailgate assist, a tailgate step, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, corner steps, all-weather floor mats, passive keyless entry, cloth upholstery, smartphone integration, heated front seats with a heated steering wheel, tow hooks, 2 keys with remote start, an integrated trailer braking controller, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.